Welcome to qnawire.
The graph models the monthly average precipitation in inches at a town on a particular mountain over a 3-year period where X is the month. We want to find the maximum average monthly precipitation. Notice the maximum here all goes to one notch above 4, which I'm not able to zoom in on this like you could, but if there's, it looks like it would go by 0.25, so that'd be 4.25. I'm assuming inches. The minimum average is one notch below 1, which would be 0.75. Then the amplitude would be in the middle of the two. So the difference between 4.25 and 0.75 is 4.5. I take that back, 3.5. So there's 3.5 between 4.25 and 0.75, and then that would be cut. So you take the max, subtract the min, and then take half of that, and that's your amplitude. I'm not sure your options are to interpret, but that's really how much it goes up and down from the average. If we wanted to model this graph, it's a positive cosine because it starts at a maximum, and the amplitude would be 1.75. Now, we don't need, or we do not need a phase shift, so C would be 0 because it starts at a maximum, or you can put in 0 for C. But the period of cosine is normally 2 pi. The period here, notice it goes 3 cycles, 1, 2, 3, and it takes 36 to do that. So divide by 3 cycles, and the period is 12, which means we have to scale by pi over 6, and that would be the B value. And then you have to go up to the midline, which is halfway between 4.25 and 0.75, which you would add and take half. So that would be 5. So it would be 2.5 is the midline, which centers the graph. So from 2.5, you go 1.75 up, you're at 4.25, 1.75 down, and you are at, 0.75 down, and you are at 1.75. So the D value would be the midline, which is 2.5. Hope that helps.